Hey everyone! Today we're gonna talk about another way to deliver bombs. This is a horizontal bomb called CCRP, or Continuously Computed Release Point. If you're ready, press spacebar to continue. Sometimes in the battlefield, you may find that, for some reasons, you are unable to drop the bombs onto the targets through CCIP delivery. Like today, the training field is filled with rains and winds, and the clouds flow at a very low level. Thus, we cannot reach high altitude, and now we have to fly our fighter in a level flight and then deliver the bombs. Press spacebar to continue. Today, the fighter is loaded with 8 high-drag unguided bombs. On the weapon range in front of you, there are several infantry targets placed at the cross points of the 2 runways. As you may have seen, I've marked the range zone with yellow smoke. Press spacebar to continue. As usual, check the master arm switch and make sure that it is in the arm position. Once you complete this step, press spacebar to continue. Press the highlighted AG button and enter the air-to-ground mode. Select the highlighted button corresponding to 82YT on the weapon selection page of the left DDI. This is to select the Mk82 high-drag bombs. After selection, you will enter the bomb parameter setting page. Click the highlighted mode at the left upper corner of the display to enter the bombing mode selection submenu. Select Auto in the submenu to launch automatic bombing. And this is the CCRP bombing mode available on the FA-18C Hornet. Once you have completed the settings, press spacebar to continue. The highlighted M field on the left is used to select bomb's mechanical fields. Select Nodes in its submenu to activate the bomb's nodes cone field. Keep in mind that you have to fuse the bomb first, otherwise your bombs will turn into some iron balls. Once you complete the settings, press spacebar to continue. Next, the E field means electronic fuses, which are only used to set up those guided bombs. What we are using now are unguided bombs, and they demand only mechanic fuses. So keep the electronic fuses off and do not set it up. Press spacebar to continue. Last, the drag is used only to set up high drag bombs. You can activate the damper by pressing the red in its submenu to slow down the falling speed of bombs to avoid the blast waves reach your fighter when the bombs hit the targets. Please open drag and activate red. Once you complete this step, press spacebar to continue. Basic settings for the bombs. CCRP first requires determining a bombing point or a target point. Only in this way will the fighter compute the best timing to release the bomb. Turn on the sensor control switch on the throttle lever to activate the control of the head-up display. Then a dot appears in the center circle of the velocity vector, marked at the HUD center, which tells you that you have activated the HUD. Once you complete this step, press spacebar to continue. You may notice that when you are in Auto or CCRP mode, an extra circular sign appears below the HUD. Press the TTC controller on the throttle lever, and then press spacebar to continue. Good job! you can see a diamond-shaped mark appears at the circular site targeted point. This means that you have set up a target mark at where you aim. That is your aiming point to bomb. Press spacebar to continue. Slide the TDC controller on the throttle lever, and then you can find the target mark moves with the controller. In this way, you can set up your target precisely by moving the target mark after setting up a rough target, or update a new target mark. I've already activated the red smoke mark where the target is located in the front weapon range. That is around the runway's intersection, and you can visualize it. Now, please move and aim the target mark at where the red smoke mark appears. Once you complete this step, press spacebar to continue. After you set up the target, a vertical line appears on the HUD. This is the azimuth steering line, ASL. Later, I will unpause and let you control the plane. What you need to do is to try to let the fighter's velocity vector mark overlap with the azimuth steering line, and then to fly towards the target by level flight. Press spacebar to continue. Take it easy and pay attention to the lower right of your HUD. There you can see a number and the TGT prompt, which represents the current distance between you and the target mark. Besides, you can also notice a rail number at the right side. The number before the rail is the time countdown to drop the bomb. As you approach the target, your distance to it decreases. When you reach the best dropping point, the countdown will return to 0. Press spacebar to continue. Maintain your speed and keep the throttle constant. When you are 3 to 5 seconds from the dropping point, press and hold the weapon release button on the joystick and maintain level flight. When the countdown goes to 0, bombs will be dropped automatically. Press spacebar, and then now you have control. First, fly along the guiding box. Try to make the velocity vector mark overlap with the ASL, and maintain level flight to approach the target. While you are approaching the target, you can see the target clearly and continue to use your TDC controller to amend the position of your target mark. As you approach the target to a certain distance, a horizontal line will appear as the azimuth steering line and fall from top. Keep in mind to press and hold the weapon release button 3 to 5 seconds in advance till the bombs are dropped. If you make a significant deviation, the bomb will not be dropped. You should then fly across the target and return to the waypoint 1. You can try as many times as you want. Bombs away. Good. You may notice now that HUD flashes wants to prompt you with the delivery of your weapon. Now it's time to test your luck. Looks like you missed the target. Don't worry. You can return to waypoint 1 and try again. CCRP itself does not always work for unguided bombs. Nobody can always be perfect, so the CCRP mode is more applicable for guided bombs. You you will learn in future lessons. You can try to slightly adjust the target position to amend your dropping point by leaving the target mark before or behind the target's actual position. I have activated another target again. If you would like, you may try many times, or press Escape to quit from this mission. hit the target. CCRP mode does not always work for unguided bombs. Nobody can always be perfect, so the CCRP mode is more applicable for guided bombs. You are learning in future lessons. You can try to slightly adjust the target position to amend your dropping point by leaving the target mark before or behind the target's actual position and have activated another target again. If you would like, you may try many times or press escape to quit from the mission.